Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So again, going over my daily plan on exactly how I plan on playing into the SPY. Again, the question that we have been asking ourselves this week is, will we get confirmation on that possible continuation on lower? As again, we did have a pullback, and now we are sitting within our area of balance, looking to see if we will get that engulfing candle to the downside as our 20 is just dropping below our 50. Will we come down and test the lower end of our channel here that we have been tracking? Again, this would be our target if we did continue on below lows of the year. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. Hit the like button if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's jump right into this one. On our daily chart, as you guys can see, sitting on a pullback with our 20-day just now crossing below our 50 today. Again, yesterday we were looking to see if we would cross below for that possible rejection below our 20-day moving average here to see if we would get confirmation again with this engulfing candle with our full body covering our prior day's body would be that engulfing candle and confirmation on that continuation on lower. And again, we have been keeping an eye on our Bollinger Bands, again, looking at our second deviation to see if we would push back into it. Again, if we push into our second deviation here, then we would be getting that continuation on decompression to the downside. And that very much could be, again, that simple rejection on the upper end of our channel like we have been getting, and then that possible retest on the lower end of our channel that we get after that pullback. So again, we are looking to see if we will continue on lower, get that confirmation on that continuation on lower. And if we are bullish, in my opinion, our better move here will be if our 20-day happens to cross back over our 50, we would have avoided any chasing here because we did wait for that confirmation. We will not get that confirmation again if we go bullish, and we will continue on higher, start to respect our 20 as we are continuing on higher. And then we would be looking for, again, that proof of concept on the upper end of our channel to show us that we are going to continue. Again, that proof of concept would look something like jumping above the upper end of our channel and then getting that retest and then getting a possible engulfing candle following through on that confirmation. Again, a bullish candle structure. That is one of very many that we could possibly get. And then lastly, we're going to look at the DXY again, looking at the dollar again. When we get strength on the dollar, we get weakness on the SPY, and we have been keeping an eye again on our strength here on the MACD. Again, as you guys can see, we have our EMA lines that have been continuing on higher, showing us that we were on a bounce. Now we are getting a continuation on a decrease in buy pressure here. If we continue on with this decrease in buy pressure, if we get our EMA lines to possibly cross back lower here, then we could possibly get more momentum in the market. However, as you guys can see, very much looking to see if we will continue on with buy pressure here, or if we will possibly cross back lower here with our 12 and 26. That will be the watch next week. Again, looking to see if the dollar does break down, to see if we will get strength in the market. As you guys can see again here on the dollar, testing lows of the month here. So again, we're looking to see if we will drop down below lows of the month. If we did get this rejection on our 20-day moving average, again, that would be more strength in the market for that possible outcome, again, of possibly respecting our 20-day to the upside. Again, that would be our bullish case scenario. Again, looking to see if we will get our 20 to continue on higher and then get that possible proof of concept on the upper end of our channel. So again, that's the bullish case scenario. But at this point, with our EMA lines dropping below the median or MACD, and again, with our narrative of our weekly chart, again, getting that possible rejection on the bottom end of our 20 weekly moving average, and assuming that we would be possibly continuing on lower, since we do have our 20 below our 50 still, we will see exactly what happens, keeping an eye on our narrative and looking for confirmation on the upper end of our channel. If we do continue on higher, will be very key here. Again, this is exactly what we're looking for, guys. Again, we had initial jobless claims yesterday. We had a nice spike, but making sure that we were cautious, because again, we could have possibly continued on with that rejection since our 20-day was just crossing below our 50. So we'll see if our 20-day does get that respect to the downside going into next week, or if we will get proof of concept above the up end of our channel. Now, again, with that said, I know the market can get pretty choppy, especially when we are on pullbacks. I know it seems like there's not many things that are moving throughout the day, but in the Instabills room, for only $15 a month, we mentioned 2.5 hours before market open, any news that needs to be looked at, any movers that need to be looked at throughout the day. Again, we mentioned any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day. Go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instabills that come over and support the channel every single day, we'll see exactly what happens next. If we will continue on lower, respect our 20-day moving average to the downside here, or if we will get possible proof of concept on the upper end of our channel, which seems like a long way to come till we do get there. So we'll see exactly what happens. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.